In this video, we've got a clothespin that came apart. This is the working one. This is the broken one. So let me show you how to put this back together again. So the clothespin's pretty simple. We've got two wooden pieces that are connected by this metal clamp spring thing. So this is what it looks like, of course, operational. Give you a visual tour here. And by the way, click that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with somebody. I do lots of home projects around the house, saving you time and money. All right, here we go. We've got the clothespin, the two different parts that came apart. And let me go ahead and pop this off as well so we can start from scratch. So we've got the metal piece and the two wooden pieces. So we're going to orient the bottom metal or the bottom wood piece like this, and then put the metal piece into the slot like that. And you're going to lift up on the other metal, other end of the metal piece, and slide that wooden piece underneath it. And it should lock into place, so there are grooves already pre-installed, so to speak, in the wood. And it's really an easy job. That is how you do it. My buddy is here watching me. What do you think, my man? Hopefully this helped you out. Thanks.